What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see today, we are at Thato's car wash. I'll throw the poster on the screen for you guys. We've got quite a few familiar cars and familiar faces to join us today. So yeah, we're just hanging out here for the day, and I'm showing you all the nice cars that came through to support our man Thato with CloudyTastic car wash. But please guys, do support him. He is located in Papagaai Road in Eastland. It's a dead-end road, so you can, his place is Eastland Squad. I think it's it. Number 9 Papagaai Road, that's the one. So please do come and support our boy and bring your car to get washed by him and his team, and I can bet you it will be looking spanking new again. But anyway, sit back, relax, click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and enjoy the ride. Come, let's start putting conversations in vlogs.
You wanted to come.
That's most how people do it most on
This
YouTube,
one
nah?
talks too much. This one talks too much.
Yeah.
You see?
Why? But Rory, whenever I see you, bro, you talking.
I'm telling you. I know Rory. I know Rory, bro.
This one is quiet.
Me, I'm quiet. You come.
Yeah, no, whenever I see you, eyes,
Doesn't talk.
serious face. So now we know he's the people person.
Yeah, yeah.
He's not.
I'm not.
Introvert, extrovert, nah?
What about him?
Me, I'm quiet. Me, I don't crack too much.
That's what they all say, nah?
They all say that. And then they're gonna chow your hands like nothing, bruh. They don't know what to say to us, but they know what to say to your hands. You know these ones.
This one is dangerous. This one.
When the tongue is too smooth.
Hey, bruh.
One cup, yes. One cup, yes. Dangerous.
But I used to show the people that this guy is mad at me for not posting his IG on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm very mad.
That's his car. Beautiful city golf. And this guy is mad at me here.
Yes, I'm
and,
mad at you.
and he's driving a beautiful car, but he's mad at me.
And then him, he's driving that one.
Yeah, man, he's Figo, like a OEM Plus, you know? Yeah, OEM Plus. Just like our Browski, so. Also OEM Plus.
Do your things, my boy.
Leave my model alone, bro. But I was just happy it turned out the way I wanted it, bro. Like, yo, that slow-mo smoke shot, bro. Ish.
Yeah. Scorsese.
Don't do that.
It's about that vlog life. Here's the main man of the car wash, Mr. Thato, Mr. Cloudy himself. I see you got your hands full now, nah? You weren't ready for this. I think this one must take priority over the rest of the cars right now. Like, yo, this bra came with the intention like, hey, this bra must wash my car. Like, yo, check.
The whole week, bruh.
Was waiting for the car.
Yeah, no, he was straight waiting for the car wash. Hey, bro, you said you were waiting for the car wash, nah?
Yeah, I was waiting. I was there by the mines working, huh? It was 4x4.
And life. Now put life.
Stands for life.
There we go.
Chief.
That's it.
Life.
LYV.
LYF.
Oh.
Life. That's life. This one is life. As in life.
Ours is not normal life, nah?
Yeah, ours is not normal life.
That should actually be our new slogan. Not normal life.
Not normal life. Let's go, Lord.
Let's do all of them. All of them. Even this one. Let's take the springs out. Come. Take the springs out the Yaras. Put it on the floor. Let me go get the other guys. Guys just making smoke here. For the car wash guys. Yeah. I said it's my time I get conversations in the vlog now. I must get conversations in the vlog now.
We're sleeping, we're leaving.
Yeah, no. We don't. Where's my main man, Thato? There's he. The man with all the slogans. Hey, Thato. What was it? We don't smoke drugs. We smoke tires, nah. Stay away from the vlog, bruh. Sure, Jen, stay away from the vlog. Yeah, no, it's by the time I start vlogging normal now first. Yeah. For a bus. I'll be doing cars the whole time. But hey, yeah, no. freaking street got full real quick, man.
Yeah, the turn up was
Did you take a picture of the whole landscape?
Yeah, I did from there. I was standing over there. And I started in, you know, like those Owens that stand on the street corners with the signs. Yeah, that was me. Holding the phone in the sky. It is. And I must say, like, the turnout was very nice for him starting out. The turnout was very nice. Yeah, and that's why we gotta love the car community. Just like, yo, but that shows you the car community is always supporting each other. The dude's doing his thing. He got the guys, and look, the guys are showing up.